Okay, hello everyone. Here I want to provide a tutorial on how to make your Pinterest account private on an Android device. Well, private account can provide an additional layer of security by preventing unauthorized users' content. This can help misuse of their Pinterest account. So how to do it? Let's go to the tutorial. Okay, first thing first, open Pinterest application on your device. Okay, so here you can click the profile icon at the bottom. Next, click settings icon. So in this page, select please profile visibility. Okay, and then activate private profile option. Okay, that's the tutorial on how to make your Pinterest account private on an Android device. If you are helped by this video, don't forget to like and subscribe to get other information from this channel. Thank you.